All right, January 31st, Sunday, going over some more videos. GBTC, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. Let's look at Bitcoin. This is the trust. So, this mimics the price of Bitcoin. So you can see here back in 2018, the big move up. This thing was like $5, moved to 35 plus. And then it went down 2019, found a real, real hard drop. We bounced to 15, came back, tested that 5 level. You can see here the back and forth. Lows were getting higher, the highs were getting lower, and we squeezed. We squeezed right in October. Look at this. It was 15.10. Look at this move up, like 24-ish, came back. That was a weird candle. 20. This it really exploded. Look at the heavy volume down here. This went to 48 plus. This went to 48 plus. Then we pulled back pretty hard with the market. This bounce back and forth. So, what this has now is a falling wedge. See this wedge? Came here, very oversold. Now we bounced through this candle and this. The last candle is a filled candle. So it didn't hold. It went all the way back down. But the good news is it's very oversold. It's at 26. Look at any time we've been oversold. Buy low, sell high. So you're at a good point to buy. Now, the only thing what that is still going lower. Is this a fake out? We're going to go lower. This candle breaking out here. Wasn't that strong candle to break out because it came all the way back. So you're looking for this 35 to hold. Ultimately, you want 30 to hold. That's where it came back, even that little wick there. You're 26.37 stochastic, so that's extremely overbought at this point. Excuse me. But I think we're getting back up here to 45. I think this was a dip. You can see the moves here. I don't think this is trending down right now. It's a big candle there in a monthly. We did cross over. See this? That's a crossover negative. It's been a long run. You go to the weekly, and look at this. We went from October, we crossed down. A little bit of divergence for me here. Look at this. So draw your line here, and that was the high. We bounced lower. See, we're getting higher. I mean, the high is getting lower here, here. So now we're going down. We're actually crossed over negative. So we're getting bounces back and forth. And look at these highs. We're not reaching them each time. The lows are getting lower. So the weekly doesn't look as good. We could still bounce up here. So GBTC, we'll see what this week brings in this because it's a lot to determine here. Are we still going down or back up? Here's Bitcoin. Here's the price. I don't know if the price is still moving. I'm not, an expert in Bitcoin at all. I don't know if it continually runs 24 hours or I'm not sure exactly. And this is just the chart right now, though. So whistling to 10,000. You can see all the way back near that 20,000 mark, way back when. Fell all the way back. That was a great buy for people. Same pattern. See, just the high getting lower, the low getting higher. Then we squeezed to 10,000, up 20,000. Came back to 18. Look at this run. Then it just ripped December. Look at this move, 40,000 plus. It actually reached 41,999.99. Then this went lower. It gapped down, bounced. This has a line too right here. Let me mark this line. So if you mark that, and you mark this line, where's my struggling to get this here? I'm trying to connect these lines as best as you can, but you can see another wedge. And this is a falling wedge. Sort of a sharp angle for a flag. I mean, you can call it that, I guess. See, wedges are really sharp down like this. It's either way, but you can see again, this is oversold on stochastic level. It's been this way. September it bounced hard. Going back to March, this is a strong run, and we pulled back pretty good here, 10,000. I'm not sure if that's an error. It's our topping candle. I'm not sure on that. So, but I think we can get back to 40,000. If we're oversold here, unless that's what I mean, unless we continue to drop, we're in a downtrend. Not necessarily. We held 30,000 pretty good. So, see the monthly here. That's a big candle, crossed over to negative. The weekly, like I said, Yeah, if you draw a line here all the way from 2019, draw this. And what do you see on Bitcoin right here? This is stochastic rolling up. See each low got higher right here. And then, we're going to break that. See this rolling, the low get higher, higher, higher. We're going to break that through to the downside because look at the highs. They get lower, lower. The low's getting lower. Is this a crossover move? Are we falling down further? Maybe this 26, 22,000. Yeah, see, it's far away from its EMAs. So, that's to be determined too. So, you have 30,000 support right now. We're trying to break up back to 40,000. We'll see what this does too. Bitcoin's very volatile. I expect more volatility with this action if there's a big run up. We could be in a base here, back and forth before a breakout. So, we'll see on that. Now, here's drip, something different. This is oil and gas, bears 2 times inverse the oil and gas production. So, it's had the big run up in March. That's when oil, gas, everything was going down. Yeah, pretty much big time. Had a split here. This went down to 70. If the move back and forth, there's another split. Yeah, look at the heavy volume here. That tells me I think they're buying. Excuse me, they keep going. So this is at 21. This went from 75, almost 80. Look, 80 down to 21. It's a big, big drop. So you have this room here, back and forth. You have channel. Pretty much at the bottom of this channel. And we made a move here. It wasn't much. This is, again, it's moving up. Is this going to break? Do we get to 30? Do we get to 25? You got to break them levels here. So, on this, the support is pretty simple. You don't want to go below to 1676. 21, 30, we could get maybe to 35. Now, oil's got to start going down. Oil's been on a tear. So, it's heavy volume. I think they're accumulating the bears on this, especially this ETF here. See this? Look at this drop. You had this drop before like that, sort of back here in June and then August, and it took off. So we'll see that on drip. Don't trade these much. Just pointing out this chart. Interesting chart. That's it. Please subscribe to Mike Cannon Trades on YouTube. Hit the like button. Trade ideas, referral, my link, Twitter, Mike Frank 007, Twitter, TikTok, Mike Frank II, Instagram, Mike Frank 98, and stock twits, Mike Cayman Trades. All right, that is it for this video. Peace.